Hi folks, it's me again, and I'm looking at a log home that I fixed up about 3 years ago. Did a lot of log replacement on the side here. You can see the lower logs look a little different than the upper ones. I don't remember what we used for caulking here, but we got some separation going on. Seal failure or whatever, adhesion failure, that's it. There's another down there that's got to get done. That whole line, that's done. Here's where the old ones are here. And anyhow, we did this replacement work here, and I think we had to do a little over behind the air conditioner over there, and we also did some on the south side, which has really got a bad exposure. I think that windowsill there that was replaced. Let's see how the caulking's holding up over there. I wish I could remember what I used on all these different jobs. This wall here was really bad. We had to replace about half of these logs. In the center there, they've been leaking for years. And this is actually a half log house. There's a 2x6 wall in between there, and the leakage was so bad that a bunch of the OSB sheathing had to be replaced, and even a few studs had rotted out. There's one little gap in the caulking there. These windows should have been replaced when we did that. They're going to be a son of a gun to get out of there, but anyway. Caulking looks good. Caulking looks good. Actually, the caulking up there looks pretty good too. Yeah, I think almost all the windowsills got replaced on the upper logs, and on the garage too, I think. Let's see. Caulking looks pretty good. I think these half log houses that don't go through as much expansion and contraction with the weather and the humidity and everything. We had to replace the one underneath the faucet, the water spigot. And look at that, it's rotting out again. I'll be damned. Not a good place for a water spigot, I guess. Well, at least it should be easy to take out of there because it's already it's a short piece to begin with. I can't see much up there. Both of the windowsills on the garage here, they got replaced. And usually the siding on those dormers runs all the way down to the shingles and touches it and starts to rot off. I bet you that fascia board up there's going through that right now. Well, except for a little caulking over here and that one bad log by the faucet. This one here really needs to get sealed up. That's a rain sucker if I ever saw one. All right, well, starting to get a little dark here, folks. I gotta go find Buddy and hit the road. Thanks for coming with me.